Hi, this is a screencast recording for our DevOps project. For the DevOps project, we use AWS machines which were configured using Ansible. This is the command that we used, the Ansible command that we used to configure the machines. And this is the output of the Ansible command. As we can see, the machines have been configured with various directories and other softwares required. We use Jenkins as a build tool, so whenever we committed code, Jenkins would pull the code and build it. For the test and analysis milestone, we used Mocha and Chai as unit test framework, and as you can see here, the unit tests have run and the build is passing. And for code coverage, we used the Istanbul framework, and we set our threshold to 70%. And as we can see here, the statement coverage is more than 70%, and hence our build is passing. For the deployment milestone, we used a canary approach. So as we can see in the diagram, there's a proxy server that sits and in between and redirects all requests to either the canary or the production server. So the way we configured it was we redirected every 1 out of 3 requests to the canary server, and we used Jenkins as a relay point, which would basically push our committed code onto either the canary or production server, and this was configured using the post build shell, which is available in Jenkins. For the special milestone, we have extended the previous milestone 3 to not only send alerts when a problem is diagnosed, but also narrow down the root cause of the problem and fix it then and there. This is done in the form of a doctor monkey, which will fix problems related to excessive CPU usage, and a maintenance monkey, which will fix problems related to excessive disk usage. We'll now demonstrate the doctor monkey. So we'll just verify that the server is running. Yes, it is. And we'll just fire the top command on one of the terminals to verify that everything is normal. And as proof of concept, we're using a stress tool, which will basically just spike up the CPU usage. And as we can see in the top output, the CPU usage is almost 100%. So at this moment, our Dr. Monkey is running in the background and is continually monitoring the average CPU usage. And as soon as the CPU usage goes above our threshold, which is 40 in this example, the Dr. Monkey will become active and terminate the violating process, which should happen any minute now. So as we can see, the stress process has been terminated, CPU usage is normal, and we should have received an email, which we have, and the email contains the logs of the error. We'll now demonstrate the maintenance monkey, which periodically checks the system for excessive disk usage and backs up and removes any files in violation of this. So for our example and proof of concept, we've used a log file with an upper limit of 15 KB. As you can see, the file is almost 15 KB, and our application basically logs in every request that comes to it, thereby increasing the size of the file. So since we've already requested one more application, as we can see, the log file has been backed up and removed, and yes, we've received an email for the same, which specifies the alert.